What if AI could help you improve your sales? What if it could help you improve your customer experience? What if it could increase your retention with your staff? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can use AI to do exactly this. So let's get started. But before we do, make sure to share, subscribe, and like the channel below. Hi, if you're coming back to the channel, I'm Chris with Niche Your Business. And I have been building niches for more than a decade now. And I got into artificial intelligence deep in 2020. I'm finishing my educational degree in it right now. And I follow a certain framework we built when it comes to AI, which is we solve problems, remove frictions, improve customer experience, and improve employee experience. So in today's video, I'm walking you through 3 ways that you can use AI to do this. And the first way I want to talk about is using your phone messages, your phone transcriptions, whether it's RingCentral, AirCall, Lightspeed. A lot of these services now have AI built in to give you an AI summary. So the first area that we want to talk about today is using these AI summaries as sales coaching opportunities. Now look, you could build an AI agent that goes in, logs in, gets these summaries for you automatically. You just want to be careful with personal data there. I always tell people, I don't care if you're using a paid version or not. The only way to truly protect yourself is by building an internal LM model. Look, a lot of people aren't going to do that. So just be smart about this and looking at these things. That's the disclaimer there. But in looking at these, you can understand, why are we closing the deal? Why are we not closing the deal? Look, for more than 5 years now, I've actually gone back and looked at summaries. I've looked at phone transcriptions to figure out, hey, why did we close this deal? Why did we not close this deal? AI has definitely sped this up for me, but this has allowed me to do sales coaching with my team to help improve, either what went wrong, what went right, how do we make it better? How do we improve the customer experience here? Using recorded phone calls too, remember, if you're in a one party consent state or a 2-party consent state, it could depend here on how you have to have your phone recordings on. But you definitely want to have your phone recordings on to take advantage of these things. The next area is going to be service. Using AI summaries and transcriptions to understand the service process. Are you asking too many questions? Are you not asking enough? What does this customer experience look like as your service rep is taking these questions? Are they taking the exact same questions all day long? What we discovered when working with an insurance agent was that 80% of their questions were actually coming from a form that somebody was filling out, and they were getting a certain document. They were frustrated with this document because they didn't know where to find things. Well, that told us, hey, we need a video that explains this document, that goes out with the document, and this eliminated almost every one of these questions. So using AI phone transcriptions and summaries can be really big for your service team. The third one, which to me might be one of the most important things, is using your AI summaries and transcriptions for content creation, understanding what questions people are asking, how they're asking them. Just like using your emails, looking at all this data, now organizing this data into things like cost, comparisons, reviews, where the customer's at in the process, or at the top of the funnel or the bottom of the funnel, comparing yourself to your competition. Like truly understanding what your customers are asking here is really going to help you. In fact, you may have enough content simply off of this for months. This is something we help clients do every day at Niche Your Business, is analyze this data the right way to help them understand how to build content the right way, how to create the right customer experience, solve those problems, and remove those frictions. So these are 3 ways that I would be using AI summaries, AI transcriptions to improve your sales, improve your service, create more content, and improve your employee retention. I'm Chris with Niche Your Business, and I want to say thank you for watching today's video. Remember, share, subscribe, and like the channel below.